Edward, are you okay? Oh no, he's asleep! Oh no! Edward, please! You have to wake up! Edward! Edward!
Sorry, Percy. Thank you, Philip.
Oh, that's what friends are for.